guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a calm natural look with possibly a wing liner. I'm not sure. I'm probably just gonna wing it, to be honest. I already did my eyebrows using the ColourPop black and brown precision pencil and concealed with LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. Okay guys, just a disclaimer, there might be background noise in this video because we're on lockdown and I'm stuck in the house with the most annoying brother you could ever know in your life. And you guys may or may not experience what I go through on a day-to-day basis. But just a disclaimer. But keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to start off with the color Yodit, and I'll be using that as a transition. I'm gonna go in with the color Yodit. So, to be honest guys, like, this lockdown has been such a challenge. And honestly, I kind of feel that way only because it's like nothing to do besides school and Netflix. Like, it's really been school and Netflix for me during this lockdown. But I think we should like use this time to, you know, self-reflect, also write down a few goals that we would like to try to accomplish when this pandemic is over. I think a few things on my list would be to try to take music more seriously. I do have a lot of people asking me like, oh, when are we gonna do a song together? And it's just like, I've been putting it off. And I think that I'm gonna take it seriously. Like, use the time, the downtime on this lockdown to actually be serious about it. Also, try to put out more content for you guys, because as you guys know, I haven't been that consistent, only because ever since I started school, it's been like school and work, and so it's been hard for me to like find a balance between making videos, editing them, and actually doing schoolwork and then working. It's like a lot. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Kufuru. It's this really nice rich brown right here, and I'm just gonna deepen the color in the crease, I guess. I don't know how to explain these things, to be honest, but you guys will see and follow. Hopefully. So back to getting our goals together. I think I want to start doing covers on my channel. You guys should let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see that. I don't know how well that would do, only because my channel is a beauty channel. I don't know if I should like make a separate channel for covers, but I get really shy when it comes to like singing on camera. Like, I can sing all day every day around people that I know, but when it comes to sitting behind this camera and actually like singing, and for it to potentially go on my channel for a whole lot of strangers to see, that is nerve-wracking to me. Very nerve-wracking. Now I'm just packing on the color. I am going to go ahead and blend once I feel like I've gotten enough pigment on my eyes. I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and blend these out and I'll come right back. So I blended out the color in my crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-hour Camo concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I realized this concealer, because it dries really fast, it makes a good cut crease concealer, or it makes it a good concealer to use to cut your crease. So guys, I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place, the Nomad palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color. Oh, this palette doesn't have names on it, so I'm just gonna take this matte color right here at the bottom, and I'm just gonna place it where I cut my crease at. I'm gonna go in again with the Nomad palette, and it's gonna be in the dark color, and I'm just gonna put that at the end of my crease to give that smoky effect. I'm gonna go back to the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this Jamada color, which is like a deep red, and I'm just gonna use that to blend out the outer corner into the crease color. I'm gonna go with my JLarue Cosmetics in the color White Gold. That's not focusing right now. Some of my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just gonna put it in the corner of my eye. So guys, I went ahead and put the white gold pigment in the corner of my eyes, and I brought it out a little bit, and then I went ahead and took my NYX liquid crystal body liner in I don't know what color it is, but it's gold, and I just lined the crease.